Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about how to use for pattern matching in our MySql. What is pattern matching? Basically, if you see here, let's go for products. Okay, and here you want to find something name is started with the C. Okay, or G or N. Okay, anything you want to verify, that moment we can able to use the these patterns. What are the patterns we have in our MySQL? There are two patterns. One is percentage and another one is underscore. Okay, underscore define the single character. Okay, percentage define a multiple. Okay, many, we can able to say many characters. Okay, and here a single character. Okay, we can able to identify like this. Okay, how we can able to use these two operations into our MySQL where conditions. Okay, you can see in the my previous classes like operator I shown, that where class I have shown, right? Same format we are going to use a where class with the pattern. Okay, how we can able to see in this particular location we can able to verify. Okay, now here up to products is same, and we need to use the where my product name is equal to, okay, and the single quotation I'm going to defining C is my character, or I can go for G. Okay, this is basically a capital letter, right? Now G with the percentage. Okay, starting with the G, and what are the characters we have ending, we can able to retrieve. Okay, that all the things it will retrieve. Sorry, it's not equal, it's usually like, sorry, equal it will verify different, and like it will gives you all the letters. Okay, see all which are matching with the starting character as a G. Okay, now even you can able to use for C, same thing. See what are the values we have, it will given. Okay, if you want for any character which is start with the A, see it is provided too. Okay, like this we can able to identify with the starting character. Okay, and I want to get ending with the P character, ending with the P character, but before starting letters I don't want, but ending which is a character ends with the P I want to see. Then you can able to use like this, before first is percentage, after that P. Okay, there is a only one, it is there. If there is a name with the E letter, end with the E. See what are all which we have ending with the E. Okay, like this we can able to use for starting and ending. But there is a one more way we can able to do. Starting with the S, ending with the E. I want to see the names. How we can able to define? Yes, percentage and E. If you define starting with the S, ending with the E, it will get for all the records. See, there are five. S, E, S, E, S, E, S, E, S, E. Like this, it is provided all the characters, right? All the names we can able to see. Okay. If you don't want like starting and ending, I don't want, but there is a middle, there is a H character, there is a H character. Okay, I want to see for which is a middle percent H matching. Okay, H again doing. Okay, now I'm going to run. See which is a middle. There is a any in the middle, H is there, then it will provide you. H is there, H is there, H is there, H, and here also H starting it. Okay, like this it will provide for H character. Okay, starting ending I don't want. In the middle there is any H character is there, I want to display the name. That moment we can able to use this kind of things. Okay, and also you can able to do one more thing, which is a not. Okay, how you can able to use not is defines that which is not presented for this H, remaining things I want. That moment we can able to use. See, Now you can see there are 15 characters. These two, you can see top two, right? These two names. See that two names, it is skipped because there is no H related to any of them. Okay. All the names, there is no H character. Okay. Which is not presented H, it will returns. Okay. And also we saw that there is a single character definition, right? Now, how we can able to use for this? Okay. I'm going to remove not, and here I'm going to use for, again we'll start. Okay, now see there are 5 characters, right? Now I'm going to use for where product name like 5 underscores, and I'm going to closing this one. Now you can see there are 5 characters which is related the name, then all the particular names it will define. You can count all the names, it is coming for 5. If I remove one underscore, okay, 4 only now I am passing. Now you can see only one record came, okay, which is 4 characters are presented. If you remove for one more, only 3 underscore I am passing. See, there is no name for 3. Okay, 4 it is there, 5 it is there, more than that also there. We can able to define like this. Okay, and also one more thing we can able to do. What we can do? See now I is there. After I, which is the character is there, I want to display. Okay. Before last, I want to E, and the E after E, one character should be presented. That particular one I want to display. Okay. Now here, I'm going to remove all the things. I'm going to give the star, sorry, percentage, and then I'm going to use for I, and then I'm going to use for underscore. Okay, this says that last character should be presented before I. Okay, so after before I. Okay, now I'm going to run. Now you can see I, I, I. Okay, which is the last I is there. After I, there is a one character should be there. It is provided for 4 different kind of records. Okay, like this also we can able to identify. Okay, I hope this entire patterns you understood that. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.